Hey guys, so ignore the blaring sun. It's surprisingly light for 6:30 in the morning. I am heading off to go to the airport, and yeah, hopefully traffic won't be too bad and we'll get there in plenty of time. Considering it took us 2.5 hours one day to get to Denver, I'm not making any bets. But yeah, let you know how it goes.
This is a call to the soldiers, the fighters, the young, the innocent and righteous. We've got a little room to grow, better days are near. Hope is so much stronger than fear. So if you jump, kid, don't be scared to fall. We'll be kings and queens in this dream. All for one for all. You can light up the dark. There's a fire in your heart burning brighter than ever before. I'll carry you home. No, you're not alone. Keep marching on. This is worth fighting for. You know we've all got battle scars. You've had enough, but just don't give up. Stick to your guns. You are worth fighting for. You know we've all got battle scars. Keep marching on, like we're living on a broken record. Hope is strong, but misery's a little quicker. Sit and we wait and we drown there, thinking why bother play when it's unfair. They say life's a waste, I say they lack belief. They tell me luck will travel, I tell them that's why I got feet left, right, moving along to the pulse of a heartbeat. This could be the last chance you have to fly. Do you like the ground? Want it to pass you by? Man, you had it all when you were just a kid. Do you even remember who you were back then? What do you want in life? Would you be twice as strong? What would you sacrifice? What are you waiting on? Don't stop, march on. I'll carry you home. No, you're not alone. Keep marching on. This is worth fighting for. You know we've all got battle scars. You've had enough, but just don't give up. Stick to your guns. You are worth fighting for. You know we've all got battle scars. Keep marching on.
Okay guys, I have just raced to the airport because Uncle decided it would be a great idea to risk morning traffic. But we made it. Flight doesn't look like it's been boarding yet. I survived. Out of breath. But yeah, my gate is also the very last one in this airport. I had to walk all the way across it. So yeah, I survived the flight. I survived. That's all there is to say about it. And Logan texted me telling me she has survived as well. That's good, we've all survived. And now we get to go figure out where bags are. Yay. Best part of everything is waiting for your bags to show up. Okay, so walking to the baggage claim, obviously, and I just passed a Starbucks, and I really debated about whether to stop or not, considering we landed about 20 minutes early, so I don't think my mom's here yet. And I kind of want a Starbucks because I was going to get one to the Denver airport to wake me up because I was rushed, I didn't see one, and now I want Starbucks. And well, I know there's one on the other side of security, so I'll just get one there. I love Starbucks so much. And I forgot how annoyingly long this airport was. Yep, that it is. Okay, as you can tell, I broke down and got Starbucks, but it's not my fault. So I walked by one as I was walking to baggage claim, and that's when I started recording, like, passed by one, I don't really need one. And then I passed by another one, and I'm like, okay, one time I can resist, second time, I've got to get Starbucks. So we're waiting for our bags to show up, figure out where we got to pick them up from. So yeah, I'm going to wander in circles until it happens. So yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. Okay guys, I'm at Lowe's and it's raining and I'm waiting for Mom to get the car. That way we can go home. I'm so tired. I don't know why. It's only like 7 here or 8 here, which means it's 6 in Colorado. So I don't know why I'm so tired. Do you think I'd be less tired? But I guess I'm used to it. So yeah, hopefully we'll be home soon, although apparently there is an abundance of fleas in the upstairs, which means I'm not going to be sleeping on my bed tonight. Joy.